Do you know what perceptual audio coders are? It's these smart algorithms that, like MP3, allow to shrink audio files to a fraction of their original size for seamless sharing and streaming over the internet. Have you ever asked yourself how good these algorithms actually sound? Do they change the audio? Do they introduce degradations? If they did, would you be able to hear and recognize these artifacts? The answer does not only depend on the audio material encoding bitrate, but also on your personal listening skills. My name is Jürgen Herre. I am chair of the AES Technical Committee on Audio Coding, and this is Sascha Dick, the editor of a new educational package released by the Technical Committee to provide you with the answer to all these questions. The project was started a long time ago. In 2001, the committee produced the legendary educational CD-ROM Perceptual Audio Coders What to Listen For. It contains an overview of common coding artifacts together with tutorial information on each of them.
Based on the original CD-ROM, the Coding TC has created a brand new second generation package that shines in many ways. Existing material has been upgraded for improved ease of reading. It explains now new artifact types that are typically associated with newer generations of audio codecs, such as bandwidth extension or parametric stereo. For each type of artifact, several audio examples illustrate different degrees of severity, so you can start your way with very obvious degradations and work your way up towards more subtle degradations. Playback is now seamless thanks to HTML5. Interactive graphic elements show the associated signal spectra. The attractive package was formatted for seamless playback on PCs, tablets and mobile phones. It is now available as an AES publication. It is free for AES members and available to non-members for a nominal fee to download from the AES library.